Thank you for joining us today. We are here to provide you with a step-by-step demonstration on how to apply for an endorsement within the Granite Steps for Quality module on NHCIS, the New Hampshire Connections Information System. You can see here I've already logged on and I am at my program's landing page. If you need more information about how to log in or even create your account for the first time on New Hampshire Connections, please view our Granite Steps for Quality application video. At the start of that video, we walk you through that process. So let's get started. We are going to enter the Granite Steps for Quality module. Here we go. Great. For purposes of demonstrations, I have many programs assigned to me. Most of you will see just one program, the program you are in a leadership position for. And so for purposes today, we're going to select this program. Great. And again, today we're going to walk through the application process for a GSQ endorsement. Great. So all pieces within the GSQ module are meant to be used hand in hand with our GSQ publication. Hopefully you've had an opportunity to look through the publication and decide which of these paths make sense for your program when applying for this endorsement. If not, that's okay. Every time you see something in blue within the module, it's a live hyperlink to the publication itself. For purposes of today's demonstration, I'm going to select the first track or pathway here, collaboration with my Family Resource Center. Great. Just like when applying for a GSQ quality step, you can see the instructions bar on your far left, just 4 easy steps for this endorsement. Step 1, read through the instructions. These instructions are also within the GSQ guide itself, and there are live links to anything else that you may need to accomplish in order to apply for this endorsement, including the bedrock of the Granite State presentation, work on pro solutions, and information about applying to participate in the New Hampshire Child Care Scholarship Program. There's also lots of information here at the bottom with regards to who to contact for help in applying for this endorsement. My colleagues here at the Bureau, and then also our contracted providers who provide support for early childhood programs, out of school time programs, and credentialing. After reading through the instructions, simply click Next. Great. So again, if you recall, we selected the first track for completing this endorsement, which was a collaboration with FRC, our Family Resource Center. We would read through the requirements here and ensure that our program is compliant. I'm going to select yes. And then again, click here so that I can see a complete list of my current staff to show which hold the credentials required to meet the criterion for this endorsement. If I'm looking through this roster and I recognize that some of the individuals are no longer employed at my program, that's easy enough for me to edit and update my staff roster within NHCIS. If you have questions about that, please view our training video on how to update your staff roster. For purposes of today, I'm going to simply select all, save, and next. Step 3 already, we're ready to affirm that our program has the following: an open door policy, hosts a minimum of 2 family events per year, has conducted an annual family survey, and is offering ongoing communication with maybe a monthly newsletter or some sort of online opportunity. After reading through and feeling confident that your program meets these requirements, you would simply provide an e-signature for the director and the owner and or applicant, whatever is applicable for your program. Save and next. Here's one final opportunity to review the information you've provided to apply for this endorsement, and then hit submit. Great, our application has been submitted, and there's some information here about the next steps. Thank you for joining us today in the step-by-step guide about how to apply for an endorsement within the Granite Steps for Quality module. Thanks for attending.